Johnny, get your gun, get your gun, get your gun. Take it on the run, on the run, on the run. Hear them calling you and me, everyone for liberty. Hurry right away. No,
Chopper Fisher here, and welcome to an episode of the Fab Table series where we're going to be doing unboxings, gear reviews, and parts. And today, we're going to be unboxing the TCBROS upsweep pipes for the EVO Sportster. And one of the other items, you got these new tins, so you can mount them up in your shop. I already know where mine's going. Oh yeah! Exhaust gaskets, of course. But these boxes don't actually have anything in them. That's just to hold everything in place. More gaskets. Oh, that one feels a little dense. Mounting hardware. Then there's one more empty box in the back of the building. Wrong way. Alright, let's get these bad layers out of here. Oh yeah! Look at that! That's a long one. Oh yeah. They wrap these things up nice. That's gonna be a pain in the ass to undo. But at least the chrome is protected, because they are chrome. It's like another empty box. There's always some stickers in there somewhere. Oh, look at that. And there they are. Sticker and a keychain. Let's go! Kind of don't want to open it on this metal surface. So I'm gonna put a moving mat down. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Yes! Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, I bet you this one sounds even cooler. Yeah! I don't know if you can hear this or not, but there's some hood rats outside of my garage screaming at each other. Oh my god! Now these beautiful pipes are going to be going on this crusty ass motor. I am going to be cleaning this up and chopping the side cover and stuff like that. Video coming for that. Just to give you a rough idea here. It's going to look a little something like this.
If you'd like to support the channel and help this build series of this 1994 EVO Sportster chopper, then you could use code CHOPPERFISHER at checkout at TCBROS. And at zero extra cost to you and a little bit of savings, it helps me buy stuff like this so I can make videos like this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Of course I was going to mount them and show you guys what they look like.